But the tube system, there's nothing in the back anymore. Nothing in the back of the tube system anymore. On the side, I've still got a couple of the kale. I don't really expect them to do much more. A little bit of the butter crunch here. Let me back up. I don't know why this wants to try to zoom so much when I'm on video. A couple of romaine, red romaine, and a couple of butter crunch here still. The lettuce is still doing really great here. The strawberry still got a couple blooms on it over there. A couple of the blooms losing petals and a new bloom coming in. So I don't know. Can't remember if those strawberries are self-fertile or if they have to fertilize with something else. But so far everything's hanging in. The fish are doing okay. I have no idea what that water temperature is. Right now I'm in a sweatshirt and I'm burning up out here. Water temperature is, if you can read that, I don't know, but the water temperature looks to be about 66, which is a good range. So I need to get them some food out here.